Welcome back to Happy Hackers. We like to look at different do-it-yourself projects that we see in videos and see if it's really as easy as they make it look. These are the two we're doing. This is the first one. And then we're going to use the same materials and we're going to do this one. Steph, do you want to just go over everything?
Sure. Okay, so we have our rolls of wrapping paper, toilet paper rolls, twine, cracker snaps, fun little goodies that go inside.
And then to put it all together, Ray's got the good old
glue gun.
glue gun. So I think we have everything we need to get started. So we're going to start with the first one, which is the Christmas crackers. We don't think we need the full width of all of them, so we're going to have half of this roll sticking out on the outside of the paper, a full roll in the middle, and another one on the outside, and that takes us to about this line here. So let's cut there. Then now we need to see how far we have to roll it. So let's see if we wanted to go 1, 2 and a little bit. That would take us to that line, right? Sounds good. So we'll just go across there. Okay. Okay, so there's one, and we've got 2 of each pattern. So we've got total for 6. So those are all of them here. So, and now we'll just start with the first one. That's hot. Don't put your finger on the tip of the hot gun.
Way to go, glue girl.
You want to start with that one, Jackie?
Yeah, I think we need the glue.
Right on the edge, because it's kind of
Going to swear.
How about like that?
Oh,
wait.
They did say.
Does it actually?
No, you
Wait.
can't glue that in.
We don't glue these.
No, you don't glue those. You glue it at the end after you've rolled it out.
Oops.
Maybe we
I'm
need to watch that video
to
again.
happy hackers.
Don't glue these. Put our little cracker through the middle.
Yep.
And then just a little dab, just a
Right
little
here?
bit.
Just a dab.
dot.
Yep.
Just a dot.
Perfect.
Okay.
Stick that one
Okay.
side and leave the other one free, right?
Yeah.
So that we can pull it. Oh, let's put the 2 tubes on the outside.
These are just like markers.
Yeah, they're gonna come off.
They're gonna
Don't
come
have to
off.
put the treats in?
Okay.
Not yet. We're gonna roll it, tighten it,
You
and
know
then
that. Probably.
we're gonna glue it now.
This one's all the way across because this is holding the,
Oh,
yeah,
the
yeah.
wrapping paper, not just.
Okay.
Boy,
Sorry.
So do you have the twine?
tight with
We
the
need
thing down the middle
a
there.
piece of twine on
There we
each
go.
side.
Yes.
Twine is
So
Right.
if we do one,
Yeah.
I could feel it.
You
Yeah.
can feel it? Okay, so the cracker's on that side, so you can
Yeah.
see that one, and the other one's free.
And then-
So before
yeah.
we tie it, let's put some treats in it.
So we have everything in there now,
Nice.
and we're just gonna tie it the other end.
There's our first one. We're gonna do a whole bunch of those, and we'll be right back.
Nice.
Cool. Let's go put them on the table.
Okay.
That's a great idea. Okay, that was great. Those were awesome. So let's try the stars now. Let's get everything ready for that.
Yeah.
Okay. Just make 5 equal sized squares.
And then we're folding in like an airplane to the center line. And then you
Okay,
do
and
the
this
same with
side?
the other side, right into the center line. Just like you're making an airplane. This should be start.
Ta-da.
Ta-da! Fold up from the bottom, up like this.
Yeah.
Just fold it up. So as you said, Ray, we brought these into the middle, and then we fold the bottom one. So now
We fold it in
take
like
this,
this.
we're going to make this.
Yeah. Into the center line
Into the center
again.
again.
Makes it great.
So when it's like this, you eventually want to open the glue inside here.
Correct.
Right? Okay, so let me. We'll just keep at that. We'll just keep gluing it till we have a whole bunch of them the same. How's that?
That
Yeah.
sounds good.
Great.
Yeah. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to glue them together. So we open it up so it's this shape, and we're going to glue along the edges here and right each one on top of each other. All right, let's
Put it
see if
all
this
up.
works.
Yay!
Yay! Look
So
at
we're just
that.
doing the last corner.
Yeah.
There we go. there's
Beautiful.
one.
These are very pretty. My
Here's
goodness.
two of
Look
them.
at
And then we'll
that.
just work on it. And that's everything for today from the Happy Hackers. So if you want to see more do-it-yourself projects, subscribe to our channel. And you can see all the different holidays that we've already done in the past and that we will continue to do. They actually worked out really well. I love them. They were so
Yeah, really
easy.
great.
And it's just a few items that you needed.
Yeah,
It was
I'm
just
gonna make some more.
So there's our stars, and you've already seen our crackers. We're going to show you all of that now. So we're just going to set the table up, and we'll show you what that looks like. But meanwhile, we would like to wish you a Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays from the Happy Hackers. Come on.